Updating your business profile on CuriosityStream is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your profile is current and accurately represents your business. Step 1. Log in. Visit the CuriosityStream website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to edit the business profile. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile section. Look for an option labeled Business Profile or similar to access the details of your profile. Step 3. Edit profile information. In the Business Profile section, you will find fields for various information such as business name, description, contact details, and website link. Click on the Edit button to make changes as needed. Step 4. Update media and links. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After making all necessary updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure that all changes are recorded and your profile is updated successfully. By following these steps, you can keep your business profile on CuriosityStream up to date, helping to engage your audience effectively.